Good morning, students. Today is our topic about the pathophysiology of the tumor growth. So first of all, we have to talk about the tumor. Tumor is a typical pathological process which is characterized with an unlimited, uncontrolled, independent, and endless increased tissue growth and cellular anaplasia. So it's the characteristic of the tumor is an limitation of growth, unregulation of growth, and aplasia of the tumor cell. The pathophysiological characteristics in it include the like universal and obligatory property benign and malignant neoplasm. In base of the growth lies uncontrolled surplus proliferative and the cellular elements. Tumor cell differ from the normal not by cell division speed but character proliferation. The pathophysiology characteristics include the neoplastic cell acquire the ability to cell to fusion boundless. Like in each cell, there is genetic program which limits its division amount. So the pathophysiological characteristics include tumor cell peace to the death of the organism. Tumor can be carried into the other biological kind of the organism, like mouse to mouse, from rat to rat. Tumor living and growth organism incipient to the death. Methods of tumor cultivation, like transplantation and explanation. Transplantation stains with the irreligious carcinoma in mice, Crosser carcinoma in mice, and sarcoma M1 in the rats. The carcinoma brown appears in rabbit segmentation like cells of HeLa, cervix cancer. The pathophysiological characteristics include the tumor have the autonomous growth. Organism level control is realized and nervous of the endocrine system. Tissue with 8 biological active substance, mitogens, and chelones. The pathological, it also includes the autonomy of the tumor cell develop gradually. The first tumor cell called partially hormonal regulated, later it perfectly irresponsible for the hormone. The third characteristic of the feature of the tumor cell is the anaplasia, structure and biochemical organization simplification of tumor cell coming back to its embryonic, the initial stage. There are the following kinds of anaplasia: morphological, biochemical, physical, chemical, functional, and immunological. The morphological anaplasia appearance is atypical cellular and tissue. In base of cellular activism, like polymorphism of cell nuclear size increase, polynuclear state and hyperchromatosis, nucleolose amount of increase in the mitochondrial changes. So it includes the polymorphism of the cell, increase in the relation of the nucleus, multinucleonic hyperchromatosis of the nucleus, increase of the quantity of the nucleus, changes of the cell organelles. Changes of the macromolecule include the decrease amount, size, mitochondrial membranes, amount of rest, and the mitochondrial crest. Like if you talk about the protein metabolism, it includes this disfermentosis. Disfermentosis, unification of the isoenzymic spectre, activation of the nucleonic acid synthesis, activation of DNA polymerase, increase of the protein synthesis, decrease of the protein catabolism. Like if you talk about the biomechanical kind of anaplasia is the tumor cell metabolism, like peripheral disease, it is in the genetic system changes, enzymic spectrum of the tumor cell changes, all cells get likely to be enzymic admission. So activation of the anaerobic glycolysis, present of aerobic glycolysis, activation of the glycogen enzyme, pyruvate kinase, hexokinase, and fructokinase, inhibition of the Krebs cycle. It also includes the inhibition of the Krebs cycle, so it is a very much point to reminder. The physical chemical anaplasia, acidosis in the cellular hydration, accumulation of the potassium, increase of the electroconductivity, decrease in the colloid viscosity, increase in the membrane charge, and decrease of the surface tension. So it also includes the acidosis owing to the lactic acid accumulation, intercellular hydration, raised electroconductivity, colloid viscosity, membranes, surface tension decrease. So this is all about the anaplasia and the characteristics like functional anaplasia and immunological anaplasia, like antigen simplification, antigen divergence, and antigen reversion. So that if we talk about the tumor etiology, tumor caused by the carcinogens, which include the groups of chemical, physical, and biological things. Like the chemical considered the first clinical supervision in the direction has been done by the port. This is the small introduction about the chemical carcinogen and the names beside this chemical carcinogen G for benzopyrene, the dibenzo 1256 diabenzo, trans 910 dimethyl 1 2 benzo, and trans and 20 methylo and 20 methyl coalterane aromatic amines and amides, and these are the polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. So nitrosamines and the nitrosamides, like these are the nitrosamines and nitroamides. Like tumor telling aromatic amines and amides, as I talk, as I told you the name of in the previous slides, mo monoazobenzene, benzinidine, and the chloronaphthacene. So these substances are usually used for the natural synthetic fabrics, coloring, polygraphy, cosmetic production, color photography processes, medication, and other the insecticide synthesis that is followed by the neoplastic growth attack to the skin of the gastrointestinal contracts. Tumor are usually located in liver, urinary. This is the most important point. Tumors are usually located in liver, urinary cyst, bowel, and kidneys. Almost all of the carcinogen metals are not active, but they acquire carcinogen properties due to their entering to the organism. Carcinogens react to the with the purine basis of the DNA obligatorily. The most frequent target is guanine, which is gets methylated. Means everything that is present in the tumor etiology always includes the carcinogens, either alkylated or methylated. Tumor, now we talk about the viral carcinogens. Tumor can be caused by the virus. There are some neoplasm example of the viral like sarcoma in chicken, shop papilloma in rabbits, mammal gland cancer in the rats, which rise in the case of Wittner milk factor. Viruses which cause neoplastic growth are called the oncogenes. They belong to the group of the retroviruses. Not many human tumor get attacked by the viruses. Formation of carcinogen. Like the pre-carcinogen, the proximal, the carcinogen, and the final carcinogen. There are four stages. In animals, in 9010, these are the dates and the viral carcinogens that are be present in animals and people, and with dates. Activation of the proto-oncogene, the point of mutation like proto-oncogenes. So a point of mutation in the chromosomal translocation, viral trans direction insertion of the genetic material, amplification of the genes. These are the specific mechanism of the activation of the oncogenes. Stages of the carcinogenesis. Neoplastic growth development is multi-stage, like transformation. The first stage is followed by the cell is oncogen activation. A cell with active oncogen can resist the latent. For years, it does not display itself with anything. Like promotion supplement influence upon the immortal immortal list. Wait, I'm guys. Like supplementary influences upon the immortal sated cell are necessary to visit it out of the latent state for giving a push to the impressive division or irrepressible division, provoking factors which are supplementary dose of chemical carcinogen like X-rays, retroviral superinfection. These are named as the promoters. In progression is a neoplasm development in a way of constant, irreversible, qualitative change of its one or other few signs. These are the stages, the like and the effect of of that neoplastic growth on the system, like endocrine system and the oncogenesis. So neoplastic growth and the human sexual steroid synthesis get increased according to in the ovaries, but they are out of the hormonal properties already in the age. So, and this preserves the ability of stimulate the proliferation. Therefore, the tumor appearance risk is very high in this period. So, studies of the carcinogen transformation, promotion, progression, expression of cell oncogen, cell division start the development of the tumor in a way of the malignization, the varices mutation, and the promoters, as it is clearly in the picture, and it concludes all the slides in this picture, like apoptosis normal cells. Thank you so much.